Hi, I'm back again. This is Raine of Raine TV, and I'm also one of the healers at therainbowhealers.com. We left off talking about the 7 chakras in the human body, which governs the third dimensional realm. And we left off saying how that these 7 chakras are based on third dimensional reality, where you might be surprised to learn that there are actually 50 chakras, okay? And there are individuals who have way more than 7 and they're going up the ladder. I wanted to just talk a little bit about that aspect. We talked about how in the late 80s people started evolving and they made it past the third dimensional reality type chakras, okay? This is very different information that you're being exposed to because most people are only familiar with the 7 chakras. Well, when you go into the 4th dimension, you're actually dealing with chakras 8 through 15. And anytime you start going beyond 7 chakras, you are going into an initiation and an ascension process while on Earth, okay? And that may be hard for you to believe, but we're actually in the 5th dimension. Some people are still vibrating at the 3rd dimension, and that's why there's so much illness and so much lower frequency, but there are an extreme amount of people who are going from 3rd to the 4th dimension to the 5th dimension. This has never happened before in the evolutionary process of the human being. So let's just start out saying that. This information that I'm giving you came from Dr. Joshua David Stone. You can check out some of his literature. He has vast information out there on the web. He moved on to the spirit world, and he went through all the various initiations processes while in a human body, which is quite unusual. What I wanted to talk about a little bit about the 4th dimension is the chakras 8 through 15. The 5th dimension is the chakras 16 through 22 chakras. And then in the 6th dimension, we have 23 through 29 chakras. You can become an initiate and you can ascend up to the 6th dimension. After that, you're no longer in a physical body. So you start doing other things in your reality. We're going to talk a little bit about that in the next episode. Thank you. This is Raine